Hey everyone, thinking of becoming a data analyst in 2025? Or maybe you are already on your journey but feel lost in the sea of resources out there. Don't worry, I have got you covered. Today I am going to walk you through the best learning resources to master data analysis, from beginner friendly tutorials to advanced books. Trust me, these are game changers. Data analysis is one of the hottest fields right now, with companies relying on data driven decisions more than ever. Whether you are just starting or looking to level up, having the right resources makes all the difference. So grab a notebook and let's dive into my top picks for learning data analysis in 2025. Let's start with Microsoft Learn. This is an amazing free platform where you can find step-by-step tutorials on tools like Excel, Power BI, and even SQL. The best part, it is super beginner friendly. Let's say you want to learn Power BI. Microsoft Learn has a whole section that guides you from setting up your first dashboard to creating advanced visualizations. It is like having a personal tutor but for free. Next, we have Excel training by Microsoft. I know Excel might sound boring, but trust me, it is a data analyst's best friend. Whether you are organizing data, using pivot tables, or creating charts, Excel is a must know tool. One of my first data analysis projects involved cleaning a messy dataset in Excel. It felt overwhelming at first, but after watching a few tutorials, I was amazed at how powerful Excel really is. Another great resource is Power BI. This tool lets you turn boring spreadsheets into beautiful interactive dashboard. And Microsoft's free Power BI training will walk you through everything. Imagine presenting sales data to your boss with an interactive chart instead of a plain old table. That's the kind of impact Power BI can have. Now let's talk about Google Cloud datasets. This platform offers a huge variety of real-world datasets you can analyze, from healthcare to finance. I once downloaded a dataset on global weather patterns and used it to create a report. It felt like solving a real-world problem, and that's the kind of hands-on experience employers love. Another cool resource is Awesome Public Datasets. It is a GitHub repository packed with datasets on just about anything: sports, movies, even social media trends. Let's say you are into movies, you can find a dataset on IMDb ratings and analyze trends over the years. How cool is that, right? Next, we have got Stanford SQL course. If you want to work with databases, SQL is must. This course teaches you the basics and even dives into the advanced concepts. I used this course to learn how to query large datasets, like finding the most popular products in an e-commerce store. It is practical, easy to follow, and super valuable. Alright, if you are ready to step up your game, Python is the way to go. One of the best resources for this is Python for Data Science by Wes McKinney. This book breaks down Python in a way that is easy to understand, and even if you are not a programmer. I used Python to automate data cleaning tasks, saving hours of manual work. The book also teaches you how to use libraries like Pandas and NumPy, which are essential for data analysis. Finally, for those who want to explore AI and machine learning, Hands-on Machine Learning by Aurélien Joron is a must-read. It's packed with practical examples and projects. I used this book to build a simple machine learning model that predicted house prices. It was challenging but incredibly rewarding. Now you might be wondering, how do I even start with all these resources? Don't worry, here is a simple roadmap. Number 1, start with Microsoft Learn to get the basics of Excel and Power BI. Second, practice your skills using datasets from the Google Cloud or Awesome Public Datasets. Third, learn SQL with Stanford course to handle databases. Fourth, move to Python for data analysis and automation. Fifth, finally explore machine learning with hands-on machine learning. Take it step by step and don't rush. Build small projects along the way to apply what you are learning. So there you have it, the best learning resources for data analysts in 2025. Whether you are just starting or want to level up, these tools and courses will help you achieve your goals. Which resources are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you are looking for more tips, check out my other videos on the data analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.